Line command in AutoCAD. The line command is used to draw straight line segments between two or more points. Command access, method 1. Command line type line, or just L. Method 2. Home tab, draw panel, line. Method 3. Toolbar, draw line. Step-by-step tutorial. Start the command. Type L, press enter. Specify first point. Click in the drawing area or type coordinates. Example, C, 0, 0. Specify next point. Move your cursor or enter another set of coordinates. Example, so 100, 0. Continue drawing lines. Each click creates another connected line segment. Finish. Press enter or ES key to end the command. Example, command L, specify. First point, 0, 0. Specify next point, 100, 0. Specify next point, 100, 0. Specify next point, 0, 100. Specify next point, 0, 0. Press enter. This would create a square with diagonal stroke. Tips. Use Ortho Mode, F8. To keep lines perfectly horizontal, majestad vertical. Use Object Snap, F3 for precision. Example endpoint, midpoint. Use Polar Tracking F10 to guide angles. Would you like to try a practice drawing or see how to draw lines using coordinates and relative points? Right below,